Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 3-28G, the Boiler Regulator Handle for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 3-21G, the Boiler Regulator Handle for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up template MMGS and let's get building. Okay, let's go to top view. Let's put two circles down. I'm going to start there. One's going to start there. This one is 12 mil, and this one is 8 mil. And that is from, before we do any further, let me just make these horizontal. There we go, beautiful. And that's going to be 38. From there to there, it's going to be 38. We do a line. Oop, that one does that. There we go. Oop, not parallel. Select that one, beautiful. Then do another line from there to there. Right, let's make these. Was it tangent? Yeah, tangent. Tangent. These ones tangent as well. That one and that one. Thank you. Although I didn't show up tangent. There it is. Tangent. There we go. Okay, trim. Trim those two. That one. That one. That one. And that one. There we go. That's what we're after. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. It's got me a hole here, but I'm not going to put this hole because they've got bits through there first. So do that afterwards. That's going to be extruded to 3.5. 3.5. No, 5. Thank you. Now I'm going to put that mid-plane. Doesn't really matter this one, but I'm going to anyway. And that is the steel. So let me go into steel again. Metal. Yeah, there, thank you. Steel, brush steel. Let's do that one. There we go. Okay, so now we got a handle come up this way. We got a part come down this way. We might do this one first. Doesn't matter which one really. Normal 2, sketch, circle, touch on the outside of that one, and then find the center, which is there, and that's going to be the same size. And that's going to extrude down 7. So, let's see. Extrude 7 and done. Now it's 10.5 from there to there. So let's just double check that, make sure I got that right. From there, 10.5. Perfect. Never hurts to double check. Okay, so now we've got a hole here, so let's sketch that. Don't need normal, care if you want to. Okay, touch on that one, and there. Now, if that being blue, if you want to highlight that, it's easy to see the small crosshair in there. When that blue, that is harder to see. And that is 6.5. 6.5. And that is going to be extrude all the way through. So extrude, cut, through all, and done. There you go. And now we want top, nope, front view. So let me normal that and sketch. With another hole. Yep, another hole. There, that's going to be 2 mil. Yep, 2 mil. 2 mil, and that's going to be from the top to there. Oop. What happened? That was weird. From the top to there is going to be 7 mil, and from this out edge to the hole it's going to be 6 mil because it's halfway through. You could line up than that, but I know it's 12, so you know, halfway that works. Now just move that way a bit. So we want feature, extrude cut, through all, second direction, through all, which is already selected and done. There you go. Now we want this one. Go to sketchy. I don't need normal. So if you click that once out there, unselect that thing, you can see better. So although it's got the origin there, so it makes it a little bit easier. That is going to be there. Beautiful. That's going to be extrude 5. Yep, 5 done. Then we're going to do another one on here. Sketch on that surface. It's going to be a circle. It's going to be out. That's going to be diameter of 13. 13. And that's going to be extruded by 6. 6. And done. Right, now we need to chamfer this. So that's 6. So this is a bit of a flat surface. So let's do 2.5. Let's try that. Fill it. 2.5. That edge and that edge. Actually, I think that worked out pretty good because it's close to that. So look at that done. Actually, maybe 2. Let's try 2. That's better because there is a bit of flat surface. That doesn't really matter because that's where your hand holds and turn it. So I think that's 4. So that is done. Ooh, wait a minute. This is actually 2 pieces. Like, I don't think it's 1 piece. This is actually a separate piece that actually slides in there and this spins. You know, it shows in the plan as 1 piece. I'm going to leave those 2 pieces just for this. 1 piece. But this section here, let me just normalize that. This section here, from here up, should be a separate piece that goes and then that spins. So when you turn this round, that holds your hand. So, oh yeah, that's right. I mean, why the whole didn't line up because I normalised that side. So yep. So I'm gonna leave that as is. Later on, I might come back and redo that as the second piece. So see what happens. So that's part 3-28G, the Boiler Regulator Handle done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Welcome new subscribers. Leave any comments. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.